Without possessive adjectives, it'll be hard for you to express ownership. Good thing today we are going to learn exactly how to use them in Spanish. Hola amigos, soy Adriana, embajadora de marca con Spanish 55. Here on the Spanish 55 YouTube channel, we cover a variety of different topics so you can have an easier time when trying to communicate in Spanish. If being able to hold a conversation in this beautiful romance language is your goal, then I invite you to hit subscribe. Suscríbete. My, your, his, her, its, our, their, and whose. Pretty important words, right? Hold on to your seat because this is going to be a very interactive lesson. Let's go. Just like in English, the Spanish possessive adjective indicates who or what possesses or owns something. For example, this is my flying car. That is your regular old Tesla. The words my and your are possessive adjectives. Here it is in Spanish. Este es mi carro volador. Ese es tu Tesla normalito. The words mi and tu are the possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives in Spanish have a singular and plural form, according to the object someone possesses. Let's go over them so you know what I mean. When the personal pronoun is yo, you would say mi computadora. If you have more than one computer, you would say mis computadoras. With the personal pronoun tú, you would say tu cuaderno, your notebook, or tus cuadernos if there's more than one. When talking about él, ella, usted, ellos, ellas, ustedes, you would say su or sus, respectively. Try to think of the phrase in Spanish before I say it. I'll hang up his coat. Colgaré su abrigo, el abrigo de él. Elena has lost her purse. Elena ha perdido su bolso, el bolso de ella. Your office is very nice. Su oficina es muy bonita, la oficina de usted. They came to their graduation party. Ellos vinieron a su fiesta de graduación. They read all of their books yesterday. Ellas leyeron todos sus libros ayer. Where are your passports? ¿Dónde están sus pasaportes? Los pasaportes de ustedes. When talking about nosotros, you would say nuestro viaje a España and nuestros boletos de avión. For nosotras, you would say nuestra tienda favorita and nuestras marcas favoritas, our favorite brands. Make sense yet? Let's go over them so you can write them down and learn them. Yo, mi, mis. Tú, tú, tus. Él, ella, usted, ellos, ellas, ustedes, su y sus. Nosotros, nosotras. Nuestro, nuestra. Nuestros, nuestras. I would encourage you to pause the video and create a phrase for each one. Then write at least one of your phrases in the comments below so I can see. Pop quiz! Cue the music! I am now going to give you a phrase in English and then in Spanish with the possessive adjectives as a blank. Depending on how you do, you should repeat this video. Let's do it. He is my brother and they are my cousins. Él es blank hermano y ellos son blank primos. Is your cousin a doctor? And your uncle and aunt too? Blank primo es doctor y blank tíos también. His dog is nice, but his cats aren't nice. Blank perro es simpático, pero blank gatos no son simpáticos. Our manager is very serious and our supervisors are very funny. Blank gerente es muy serio y blank supervisores son muy divertidos. How did you do? Hopefully that wasn't too difficult. Think you need to replay the beginning? I remember possessive adjectives being pretty hard for me to grasp. So don't feel discouraged if you feel the same way as well. Now, in case you need to write in Spanish, paying attention to the accent marks is very important. For example, tú y tú. The first tú is a personal pronoun, so it has a written accent. The second tú is a possessive adjective, so it has no written accent. Tú pudiste llegar a tiempo, pero ¿dónde está tu hermana? You were able to arrive on time, but where is your sister? The same goes for me and me. The possessive adjective is written without a tilde, an accent. The soda is for my brother, and the iced tea is for me. El refresco es para mi hermano, y el té helado es para mí. One thing to note is that possessive adjectives aren't normally used when talking about parts of the body. You usually use the definite article instead. She's got green eyes. Ella tiene ojos verdes. You can also say, ella tiene sus ojos verdes. It wouldn't be wrong, but it's not as common. Hey, you made it to the end of the lesson. Congrats! To further your practice and exponentially improve your Spanish, take a moment to go over to Spanish55.com and book yourself a free Spanish lesson. You won't regret it. That's all for today, folks. Hasta la próxima, amigos. I will see you in the next video.